Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, a bike that promises to deliver an exciting blend of performance, style, and practicality. Royal Enfield has long been known for producing motorcycles that offer a classic vibe with modern performance, and the 2025 125 cubic centimeters model is no exception. With this new release, Royal Enfield is clearly aiming to make its mark in the entry-level segment while staying true to its legacy. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters retains that iconic, rugged look that the brand is famous for, but with some new age tweaks to make it more approachable for younger riders. The motorcycle features a compact frame that's easy to handle yet strong enough to provide a stable ride. The headlamp design is sleek, modernized while keeping a retro feel, and the fuel tank has a classic shape, offering a perfect balance between traditional and contemporary styling. One of the standout features of the 125 cubic centimeters model is its engine. Powered by a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled engine, it's a perfect fit for the new rider who wants just the right amount of power for city commutes and weekend rides. With its smooth delivery and decent torque, the 125 cubic centimeters engine makes this bike extremely easy to ride, especially for those stepping into the world of motorcycles for the first time. Royal Enfield has engineered the engine to offer a satisfying balance between fuel efficiency and adequate performance, making it ideal for everyday use. As for performance, the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters doesn't disappoint. The bike is built with a steady powertrain that ensures a smooth acceleration, whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising on open highways. While it's not designed for high-speed thrills, it offers a very practical top speed that's perfect for most riders looking for an everyday bike that doesn't break the bank when it comes to fuel costs. When it comes to comfort, Royal Enfield has certainly put thought into rider ergonomics. The seat is designed to offer good comfort for both short and longer rides. The handlebars are positioned well for a relaxed riding posture, ensuring that riders don't get fatigued after extended periods on the road. The 125 cubic centimeters also comes with suspension tuning that's tailored to deal with both rough city roads and smooth highways, ensuring a balanced and comfortable ride no matter the terrain. Now, let's talk tech. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters comes with all the modern essentials, including LED lighting for enhanced visibility, a digital instrument cluster that provides crucial ride data, and smart connectivity features. It's clear that Royal Enfield has brought in a touch of technology without compromising its signature retro aesthetic. The new bike also includes features like a dual-channel ABS system, adding an extra layer of safety for new riders or anyone concerned with stability and control during braking. In terms of build quality,